Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. With today expected to be one of the biggest shopping days of the year, the Jamaica Chamber of Commerce JCC says some food distributors, retail and hardware stores are reporting a decline in Christmas sales when compared with the last holiday season. JCC President Philip Ramson says consumers are spending cautiously due to the high cost of living. Mr. Ramson said many individuals who got Christmas bonuses are using that money to pay bills and settle debts instead of shopping. Mr. Ramson says he conducted a telephone survey of businesses selling various products and they have been bemoaning sluggish sales.
When you look at retailers in terms of clothing and items like, for example, Lee's, they said that they are slightly down over last year, almost 10% down below last year. They've had to do a lot to try and entice and encourage customers. They said the traffic or the flow of persons coming in and out is a little less. The baskets on some have been bigger, but because of the amount of or the reduction in persons, they're seeing a little less. In fact, they're seeing a lot of what they call pop-up suitcase stores coming around where people obviously are bringing in things to try and sell a little bit. So it has affected their business.
Meanwhile, Mr. Ramson believes the increased duty allowance from $50 to $100 has resulted in more Jamaicans importing goods, and this has negatively affected foot traffic to stores.
The increase in the duty-free allowances that came into play has opened up a little bit of a avenue there for people to try and bring in and sell themselves. And so, of course, that's going to affect the brick and mortar retail outlets. And that has been a complaint from them from the time the allowance came in. But, you know, they have been working on trying to find ways to encourage themselves. They've been able to maintain their pricing, which has been big for them. But overall, they are down over last year. I think this Christmas, too, because of the way the days fall, it does affect it. I mean, every year you have to look at how many shopping days you have and how often you can stay late.
All categories of fuel will decline effective Thursday. Each liter of 87 and 90 gasoline will sell for 60 and 61 cents less. Automotive diesel will fall by 3 cents, while ultra-low sulfur diesel will see a 29-cent drop in its price. Kerosene falls by 19 cents. 68 cents will be cut from the cost of propane. However, butane will see a 25-cent increase. Proven Investments Limited has announced plans to discontinue operations at Proven Wealth Bermuda and Proven Wealth BVI as part of a strategic effort to optimize its wealth management business model and improve operational efficiency. In a formal notification to the Jamaica Stock Exchange, the company emphasized its commitment to transparency and trust, pledging to keep customers informed and supported throughout the process. Proven stated that the winding down procedures are already underway and are expected to be completed within 60 days. The company assured stakeholders that the decision aligns with its goal of enhancing service delivery and streamlining operations within its wealth management portfolio. This move underscores Proven's ongoing efforts to adapt its business model to the market dynamics while maintaining strong customer relationships. To the stock market now, the JCC index advanced by 4,706 points today, while the junior market index advanced by 16 points. Among the 47 winners, Knutsford Express, First Rock Real Estate Investment US dollar shares, Medical Disposables and Supplies, Indus Pharma and King Tire Holdings. The 37 losers were led by Iron Rock Insurance, Express Catering, Paramount Trading, Jamaica Producers, and Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances. 33 stocks closed the session, selling at the same price they started trading. Foreign exchange trading ended today with the American dollar selling for an average $156.36. The Canadian dollar traded at $109.62. $199.17 is the average value of the pound, while the euro will sell for $162.23. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.